Hola my beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to compare an original Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette to a fake Huda Beauty Obsessions palette that I got off Amazon. And if you want to know how they turn out to be, is the fake one better than the original, and how do they swatch and perform on the eyes? So if you want to know all of that just then please keep on watching. So coming down to the comparison of both these palettes, the fake one I got from Amazon for like 250-350 के बीच में था ये. Actually I checked my order history. This product is no more available on Amazon, so I'm not able to check the price, but it surely was 250-300ish. यही price range थी, I clearly remember. So it's somewhere around that, whereas the original one is priced at, let me check, MRP of 2495. that is approximately 2500. So 2500 and almost 250 rupees. So it's like 10 times sasta or 10 times mega. And the fake one is sold by an Amazon seller called Authentic Store. There are actually many more Amazon sellers that are selling, you know, fake Huda Beauty palettes. And but one thing that they clearly mentioned, that this is a fake palette regardless of the fact that it says Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions and is a blatant copy, a replica of the same. So as we start to point out the differences on both of the palettes, this is the original one. The blue is much brighter and much more vibrant as compared to the fake one. Can you see any better? So this is a very dull blue. Also the print is very like basic, and the print on this one, can you see the shine? Like it's an year old palette, still can you see the shine on the packaging, right? Whereas this one is okayish in comparison. Also the gem embossment is like sort of 3D-ish, like you can feel the gem embossment on this one as compared to this, where it's a plain, what do you say, printout. Yeah, that's just a basic printout of the gem. You cannot feel any 3D-ish thing, whereas this is slightly 3D. okay, and this is how the back of the product looks like as well. Like the back side of the original one has a peel off sticker thing, like basically this is a peel off sticker on top of the basic print, whereas this is just a plain basic print. Here they also say peel here, ingredient list continued, so there's like probably more ingredients underneath that stick on thing, whereas it's not, you know, peelable, so इसको peel नहीं कर सकते basically. So इस पे same ingredient list printed है, that is on this one, and both are made in PRC China. The only difference is इसमें they also have distribution credits to Huda Beauty. They have distributed by Huda Beauty and their Dubai address and stuff like that, whereas this one does not have that. So those are the basic differences that you can make out from like right off the packaging. okay, next up, both of the palettes seem to have a mirror inside them, and the mirror on the fake one is like slightly smaller than this one, but that's like a very minor difference to say the least. Other than that, like, yeah, there's no real difference in mirror quality as such. And coming down to the actual shades, this is how both the palettes and the shades look like. Like even from the site I can tell that the shades, especially the shimmers on this palette, are more wet and more happening, and the shimmers look very dry on this palette. I haven't swatched or digged into this one yet, so probably my words can change, but from like first sight the shimmers on this palette don't really excite me. They look very dry to me. okay, whereas the shimmers on the original Huda Beauty palette are like some of the best eyeshadow shimmers I've ever tried. okay, and the shades as well look very similar, but there's like some discrepancy with each shade for that matter. कुछ डिफरेंस है शेड्स में, टोन्स में, लाइक इसका मतलब डीप ब्लू अलग है थोड़ा, उसका डीप ब्लू अलग है, उसका येलो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, इसका येलो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. इट्स जस्ट दैट, बट अदर देन दैट द जेनेरिक कलर फैमिली दे हैव काइंड ऑफ गॉट इट राइट. सो दैट्स अबाउट द अपीयरेंस, एवरीथिंग दैट वी कैन सी. नाउ लेट्स feel this palette and swatch this palette. Alright, and now I'm going to tune in the hand swatches first before we start playing with these colors on the eyes. Okay, so we're done with the swatches. Now I'm going to play with both the palettes. This eye will be the original Huda Beauty palette, and this eye will be the fake Huda Beauty palette. So there's a clear distinction. Also, you can see side by side how they perform. I'll be creating an eye look that can, you know, use as many shades as possible, especially the mattes, because that is what I'm really excited to test, how the mattes perform, especially of the fake palette, of course. So I've done my brows off camera. Now just prepping up my lids. No bias in there. I'll be using an eye base on both the eyes as I always do. Basically, it's the Sugar Ace of Face foundation that I'm using as an eye base today. So I usually use my stick foundations or concealers as my eye base and never really an actual eye base. It has always worked out for me, so probably it will work out today as well. Okay, so I'll start with the original palette and dig into this deepest blue shade right here. So you see the pigment coming through. Also, I have no idea what sort of eye look I'm gonna do. I'm just winging it out today. Okay, so now I've like packed and also slightly blended the blue alongside pretty well now. We'll be like doing a full blown out eyeshadow. And now onto the fake palette, using the same deep blue shade from the fake palette. But before that, I'm gonna clean my brush. I'm gonna use even the same brushes for each shade. I actually use a sanitizer hand rub, like in the spray form, to just spritz it on and rub it across a towel or a cleaning pad, and the brush is clean and dry instantly. That's a pretty cool hack. I also mentioned it earlier on my channel, but if you haven't seen that video, good for you. Okay, so making sure my brush is absolutely clean. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick this deep blue shade. Also consider these blues are two different blues. Like this is more of a navy blue, whereas this one is more of a lighter and slightly purplish blue. All right, and I do see a good amount of kickback on my palette. So there certainly is a lot of kickback, moreover so much so that it's going to the other shades also. Anyways, I'm gonna dust off the excess. Also guys, I do not promote buying replica or fake makeup. First of all, it's just plain old plagiarism and just not right for, you know, the actual company, the makeup company. Also, second notes, and a little more importantly for your own self, because we don't know what exactly goes, like what exact ingredients went in the production of this product, and definitely they're way cheaper ingredients. That is why they're able to sell it at such affordable costs, right? I'm just doing this video for fun's sake to see what like a fake palette would compare in terms of an original makeup palette. So yeah, I'm gonna start with packing it on. It does not feel bad, honestly. Okay, so I have packed the shadow in quite similarly. First of all, right off the bat, the two blues are very different. It's a very different, a more pale, a more purplish blue. This is like deep navy blue. Also, the shadow does not feel like very buttery soft. It feels like a very powdery shadow, like a very talcum powder, just so than a powdery basically. Whereas this shadow feels a lot more luxe and buttery soft even when you swatch it, and even when you play it on with your play with this one on your eyes, you just realize the difference when you actually use a good quality eyeshadow palette. They just feel like butter, whereas this one feels a lot more powdery and does have a lot more kickback to this. I'm just gonna dust off jo bhi hai. I know, oh, why did I even do that? My under eyes look worse now. I'll clean it anyways later after we're done with the whole makeup thingy. Nevertheless, let's keep on going. So back to the original palette, we're done with packing the shadow, and I'm going to use this light blue shade right here to blend it out into a smooth, nice blended shadow. Okay, so now on the fake side only, I'm gonna add these two shimmer shadows right here. So I'll add the silver one towards the front, and like in the middle of the lid, I'll add the deep blue shimmer. I'm just gonna apply that. Not bad, really. I've really coated my brush well. Just gonna touch up a tad bit on the silver so that it looks nice and blended. Okay, so done with the fake side. Now I'm gonna dig into the original palette. Again, picking these two shades. These are such beautiful, gorgeous shades. First of all, let me show you. So these are like multi-chrome, very metallic, very high shine shimmers, and these are very pretty on the lids. This one is more of like a grey toned silver and looks like wet on the lid, literally. Okay, and lastly, since I really wanted to try the yellow of both the palettes, so I'm going to apply that in my inner corners respectively. Okay, that yellow did not swatch very well, but it certainly is pigmented. Alright, so now both our eyes are complete. Now I'm gonna go off camera and put on like a full face on, and I'll be right back with my review. Alright, I'm back, and that's the finished makeup look. I also did my lower lash line with the respective eye palettes, and supposedly you can see well right up here up close what both of my eyes look like. This one is the original palette side, this one is the fake palette side, and this is what both my eyes look like. Alright, so my final verdict on both of the palettes, most certainly the original Huda Beauty palette, the mattes feel very luxe and buttery. They blend very well. They are packed with pigment. Like you can see for yourself, and you have seen for yourself throughout the tutorial, that they're really power packed with pigment, yet they blend out easily. Like usually with colors like blues, purples and greens, it's a task to blend them. All the mattes are super smooth, pigmented and blendable. Regardlessly, if I had to give like a criticism, if I really have to give a criticism, it could be for that light yellowish shade. It's like a neon yellow sort of a shade, so that is not superbly pigmented, but I guess she added that shade in there for like probably an inner corner pop or something to blend the blues with, but on its own the shade is not super pigmented. Now coming on to the fake makeup palette side, the mattes really lack that feeling. They feel very powdery and chalky. Also, they lose their pigmentation and intensity when blended out. Not saying that the colors are, you know, exactly the same as we saw throughout the tutorial. Like the matte blues and the shimmers both are like slightly different when it comes to the color match or the consistency match for that matter. The shimmers on the Huda Beauty one are very reflective. They almost are like multi-chrome shimmers. They're there and you can see for yourself how boldly they're there, as compared to shimmers on this eye, which is very subdued and by now has just lost its luster. So the shimmers have kind of faded out by now as I was doing my full face. So yeah, I mean the shimmers did not wear as well. They sort of faded out that luster throughout, and all in all, I genuinely always believe that you should not spend your money on buying a fake or replica product just for the name of the brand. Instead, if you really want to own that brand, save up for it and really treat yourself well with an original branded product instead of buying a replica, instead of faking it until you make it. Let's just save up for it, you know, and actually make it. I know you little beauties out there, you really want to just play with makeup and like good quality makeup and want to do these colorful eyeshadow looks, and colorful palettes are not really very inexpensive usually, but there are some good quality colorful shadow palettes that you can actually reach out for instead of buying replicas and fake products, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. For example, the beauty glazed palettes are genuinely a steal deal. Yes, again, they are not the best mattes or the bestest shimmers I've ever tried, but given the price and given the variety of colors and what you're getting for the money is so good. So I've only tried a couple of beauty glazed palettes, but both of them have just They just have my heart. They're so good. I have one of their pastel palettes and the other one of their color story palette that has the 4 divisions into it, that 4 color families thing. So I'll be doing videos with both those palettes very soon. Those are good quality, affordable eyeshadow options. I'll always tell you guys to go for original makeup. You know, they have better ingredients and you're supporting the original brand, the original distributor of that makeup line, and not a fake reseller. Alright, so yeah, spend your money wisely, take good care of yourselves, and that's all I got for you today. I'll take a good leave for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in my next one.